Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. We're back in the kitchen. This time we're doing an easy tuna fish casserole. It's basically leftover ingredients put in a casserole. Now I just went ahead, cooked my macaroni. Just a cheap Dollar General store brand. Now the good thing about this, it doesn't require any milk. So it makes it even easier to make. If you notice on the box, it does say deluxe. The regular mac and cheese is the kind you have to add milk to. I'm going to go ahead and stir this up. Okay, I got a couple cans of the chunk, once again, Dollar General, chunk light tuna. Now, you can either use like chicken breast or that canned chicken if you want to. It really don't matter. It's up to you. Use as little or as much as you like. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese, Great Value brand. Some of that in there. Some Old Bay. Give it a stir. Now, if you notice, the first time I stirred the cheese in, I didn't have it completely stirred up. That's because I want the cheese to get on the tuna also. I already cooked off some mixed vegetables, just Great Value brand, mixed vegetables, nothing special. Cooked them per the instructions. Add as little as much as you like. The reason I put this in last is because I'm afraid the vegetables will get all mushed up and just get nasty. I think I want a little more vegetables in there. Now you can go ahead, plate this, serve it on its own, which will be fine. But we're going to take it another step. This is already greased. I just used some regular Great Value brand olive oil spray. I'll put this in here. try to kind of even it out. And this is an 8x8, it looks like. We're going to sprinkle a little bit more Parmesan cheese on it. Oh, and by the way, this package is a 14-ounce package, in case you're trying to figure out how much to get in this particular pan. Now I got some veggie round crackers, Clover Valley from Dollar General. For some reason the audio cut out, but all I did is have those round crackers in the plastic sleeve. I just took my hands and crushed them inside the sleeve. I'm going to spread these on top. You don't have to do it, but it gives it a nice crunchy taste. You can also use goldfish crackers if you want to. But I'm going to go ahead, stick this in the toaster oven under broil. Okay, there you go. Now, if you're wondering how long I did it, to be honest with you, I really don't know. I was doing the laundry, cleaning up. I'd open up the door and look at it. You just want to get it to it has like a nice brown color to it. Let it cool off for a few minutes, then cut it so it sets up for you. There you go. It's something quick, simple, cheap, and easy. Remember, you don't have to use tuna fish. You can use chicken, sausage, ground beef. Maybe do like sausage, green peppers, and mushrooms. The choices are totally up to you. But here is what it looks like close up. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. As always, thank you for watching.